Okay, forge welding actual tongue blanks isn't as easy as it may seem. It's very easy actually when you have a thick material piece and a thin piece to actually just burn either one, especially the thin piece, off. And so the reason you would do that, of course, is because you don't want to waste a lot of time drawing out the reins. So you weld actually the reins onto the bottom, the jaws, on each half of it, and then you're actually good to go. So what I was thinking, how can we actually, as beginners ourselves, how can we do a forge welding technique that is going to make us a nice set of tongs? You need minimum, about 12 mil is the minimum, half an inch is the minimum that you, the thickness that you would want for this, otherwise it's not going to work. And a little bit thicker, even up to about 3/4 of an inch, 2 centimeters maybe, something like that, should be fine. Anyway, let's light the forge and get started. Can't wait, I'm really excited about trying this out. Alright, let's start the fire. A bit of banana leaf works wonders when it's dry. Put a little bit maybe here, because I don't want to forge weld this area, I just want to forge weld the end of it actually. Alright, so the piece is in the fire. I'm waiting for a white heat around the actual metal itself, like a lemony white. When that happens, I'm taking it out straight away and just giving it a few light taps, and then we should have the first weld done. So there we go, that's our tongue blank. Let's see what we can do with it. Now we're really gonna, this is the next step. We're going to, basically we've got our jaws, and now we're going to actually try and squeeze all that down vertically, because we don't want to put the actual rivet here, like there where the crack is. We want to actually flatten this out and put it right in the center there. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Too bad. I should have really actually gone back for forge welding, but actually we're okay. You can see the lines a little bit, but generally speaking we're good, and I'm a bit blinded actually by looking into the fire too much. If that wasn't forge welded, that would have come apart by now. Okay, so this one was actually the one that didn't work out so well. I probably will have to redo that one. This one actually turned out really nice, apart from this area here, which is very difficult to actually blend in. But all of this is forge welded. It didn't come apart. This one actually came apart. So it's just a matter of actually getting a little bit better at forge welding, and then it's actually pretty much a no-brainer. The jaws are a little bit twisted, so I'd have to untwist those, and then all I would have to do is put something in here and basically push it together, so I'd have more of a, you know, the shape would be more like this set of tongs here, like that, you know, because right now they would be sticking out, and I would also have to adjust the actual jaws themselves. So yeah, so that's it. I'm not going to show you the full working tongs there. I'm actually surprisingly pleased with half of it. The other half, well, I'm not going to put them together now because that would be a waste. I want to make another half, and then put that together. Then I'm happy with the tongs. So that's it, concludes the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching, and might see you in the next one as well. Now, time to go home.